Okay, ran out of gas, part 3. So I got gas. I've done there at Chevron, or part 4 actually. And I got $10 worth. I wasn't paying attention. And when I stopped at it, it was at 9.76. So 2.17, I don't know, 2.1 something gallons. So I went in to get my 24 cents. I had a penny, gave him the penny. So I got a quarter back. Anyway, so here I am carrying 2.1 something gallons. I should have gotten 1 gallon because that would be half as heavy. You see that light up there? That's Vickery. It just turned yellow. So I need to go there and take a left, which is, you know, it's not that far, but I will be switching arms periodically. Like right now, it's a good time. Like that. Got my funnel. Makes it easier. Stick the funnel in. Pour into the funnel instead of trying to stick that in, because I have to pretty much turn the gas can upside down to make that happen, and that means gas all over the place, and I don't want to have gas all over the place. So we're walking past Joe's again. Barrels for sale, $10 and up. This is where I got my barrel that I had in my hen house. And actually he gave me the barrel, and that's part of why I was giving him eggs. There's his place. He's got a pretty nice place. He's got a pool in the back for him to lounge around in. I've got a pool in the back of my place, but it's for use as a reservoir that I can draw water out of and water my animals with, and use it to irrigate my garden. Once I get it going, actually I'm gonna try to set up a greenhouse along the fence in the back, and then I'll run a hose from that reservoir and use it to water the plants in my greenhouse. I already had it kind of set up with the fence panels, the 16-foot, 4-foot tall fence panels, using kind of, and I hooped them, so it works out pretty well. Yeah, so 4 feet, so I used about 20 of them. It's a little under 4 feet, so I think I had 21 or 22 all set up. I have a 100-foot roll of really heavy-duty plastic ready to put over the top. But then I got Daisy. Daisy. And I dropped my phone. So in order to put a fence up to try to keep Daisy in, I took down the greenhouse and used the panels for fencing, and I don't have quite enough to fence the whole property, so they're about $30 each, so I'm waiting until I start at Wilco, because that's where I got them, to pick up some more. to try and keep Daisy in and try to keep the coyotes out. But problem is, I think Daisy's getting out by climbing over the fence. And I'm thinking, what I understand is coyotes can climb over the fence too. But I haven't had any missing chickens lately. So I don't know if the coyotes are coming up or not. I saw one a couple times in my back area in the brush, skedaddling when they saw me coming. When it saw me coming, I only saw one. But it's been a while, but I heard them sound off in the distance. They're not too distant because I can hear them. That's one thing I'm concerned. I want Daisy to get out and run around back in the woods at night. She's getting better about not taking off when I go find her. We got off the other night though. It was night. It was like 9:30 and dark. So I went out and called her, Daisy, come here, Daisy. I went around the back of the big house and there she was. And I said, come on, girl, let's go. And she came, she did, she just came with me. We walked over to the little house where I'm living and walked up on the porch and came right in. I thanked her for it, for being so good. Gave her a treat. I'm losing my funnel. Put it in my pocket, but it might be a little gassy. I don't want to get gas in my coat. And then this morning, I have a writing group that I go to at Borders Books. We meet at 9:30. Just getting ready to go. I had let Daisy and Bernie out back. Couldn't have been 3 minutes. When I looked and there's Bernie, but no Daisy. Oh man. So I looked around. First I go out on the street, making sure she's not on the street, or look across the street. See if she's over at Mike's house, my neighbor across the street. Or Ray and Maggie and their kids are the house next door across the street. No Daisy. So I walked around started heading out to the field where she usually goes. She heads back to the woods and explores and does her